Hello and welcome to Site Access Systems Training Series. My name is Randy Ward. I'm President and CEO of Site Access Systems. I'm also a board member here at the Beach Club. We've developed this training series to show you about the new gate access system. This module is going to be a system overview, so you get a little bit of background on how the system works. With the current system, when an owner or a staff member approach the gate, the guard has to open the gate for them. When a vendor or a manager come up, you have to find out where they're going, issue them a pass, and then you can open the gate. When a new guest arrives, you have to review their reservation information, determine what the unit number is, and when their departure date is. Put all of that on the pass, and then you can finally open the gate. When a returning guest comes in, you have to manually open the gate for them. So as you can see, there's a lot of repetitive tasks to this. If we're able to automate that task, then you can focus on the remaining items. And one thing we're going to add to that process is scanning their driver's license. But this only takes a few seconds, so it shouldn't slow us down. So the system's designed so if we use the right gate for owners, staff, and returning guests, that'll let you focus on vendors, managers, and new guests as they come through the gate nearest the guardhouse. This system will help improve communication. Whenever you enter a unit number, it'll bring up the information about the owner and the manager. The software also gives you an opportunity where you can email that person or call them if you need to. So we've talked about automation and the things that we can do there, but what about the database? That's really the key to the system. There are 5 different databases built into the system. Owners, managers, vendors, and staff are people that we already know. We could predetermine all of that information and recognize them as they arrive. As I mentioned earlier, anytime you bring up a unit number, it tells you who the owner and the manager is. It's already in the database. Vendors have to pre-register with the Beach Club. They have to show us their insurance certificates and their current licensing for their particular craft. Once you start tracking data, you can now use that in many different ways. Systems simply telling you where people are, how many people are in, how many people are out. Once you have a database, now you can start building reports. Things like a daily traffic report. So we can look at peak times through the gate. How many vehicles have come through? How many guests are here? What area are they going to? How many people go to coast? How many people are directly out to the beach? When a vendor comes in or out, we can now monitor how many times a particular air conditioner vendor has been on site, which helps us determine who's the most popular. A manager can now track their staff to know who came on property, at what time, and when did they leave. How long did it take them to clean a particular unit? You can also track the units themselves. How many guests are actually in a unit? This is just a brief overview of the system. We welcome you to enjoy the rest of the training modules.